The second beta of the new iOS 27 is finally here. As expected, 2 weeks after the release of the first iOS 27 beta, we have a second beta released, and this is everything new with this update. First of all, you can see the size of the update. It is around 11 gigabytes and probably will be around that size on all devices. Somewhere will be a bit bigger, somewhere a bit smaller based on the device. But I'm not really sure it is actually quite that big because on my Wi-Fi it downloaded in like 30 seconds, and I don't think that's actually the size of the update, even though it shows like that. Now the build number for iOS 27 Beta 2 is 24A5370H. This is the new build number for this update. So now let's talk about the new features and changes that you will see on this update. First of all, a couple of fixes, or whatever you want to call them. Indexing is finally over on my device. It has actually been indexing since a couple weeks since the release of the first beta, and it has happened for a lot of users. Now with the update to iOS 27 Beta 2, it is finally over. And also we have a fix for the bug that was right here on the cropping page for your screenshots. That has been fixed as well. Now let's get to some more exciting new features. First of all, the big widget for the Photos app. Now this is really awesome. Now Apple has done this with iOS 27. They allow now bigger widgets on the home screen. Now they have added one for the Photos app, and as you can see right here, it does look amazing on the home screen. You can have your big pictures there. They look really awesome. Now there's also a new Ask Siri button like anywhere now on iOS. So if I 3D touch pretty much anywhere on the icon right here, you can see it has an Ask Siri button. So right there you can basically ask Siri about that item that you see on your home screen or pretty much anywhere. And you can see right here a new design for the 3D touch menus, where we have now a separation right there for the upper part for Siri, and then we have them all on the list here together. It actually looks really nice. Now this has been added to the keyboard as well. We now have a Siri button on the keyboard on iOS 27. So whenever you're typing something here, first of all, if there's nothing on that page, you will see a Write with Siri button right there. If you start typing anything, you will see here the predictive keyboard, and then here you will have the new Siri button, which is really interesting. So this is everything new that we know until now on iOS 27 Beta 2. Of course, the main focus here is always Siri. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more iOS 27 videos. A lot more features coming on the next video. So I'll see you guys then. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys on the next one.